data shows that if you have this hands-on experience in the classroom, like you're more than liable to stay in a teaching profession because you are more trained and equipped with tools and things to that you might come up against. I've heard a lot of times some people say like, hey, I had a parent situation, like, and I didn't know how to handle that because I might have taken like an online ACP program where they didn't have us have that student teaching or clinical experience, and I didn't know how to handle that parent situation versus somebody who's in the classroom having to get a certain amount of hours to get that experience.